Here's how to use Yardi Voyager. First is you can go to yardi.asia, so you can go ahead and go to the official website of the Yardi tenant portal. Afterwards, on the dashboard, you can go ahead and create your work orders. So on the work orders is the first thing that you can go ahead and do once you already have a Yardi Voyager account. So from there, you can go ahead and select the work orders that you can edit, or you can see there the work orders that you just created. Next is you can also go ahead and create your purchase order work area. So this is also located on the main dashboard, which has a PO sign. And you can just go ahead and select a item that you wanted to create a purchase order with. And then after putting all the necessary details, you can now go ahead and click on OK, and the purchase order will automatically save up. You can also go ahead and edit the resident's name. So you can go ahead and put on the name of the resident of the person who are renting to your place. You can also go ahead and edit the notice or termination type and notice date on your end.